Hi friends, let us fold this rectangle into an isosceles triangle. That's very simple. See, take this edge and fold it in such a way that this edge actually coincides with this edge and the corner completely like this. Okay, you can see this very easily. This edge you compare and this line. Okay, completely holding it and just make a line. Okay, let the crease form. This is one side. Second thing is very simple. Take this edge and fold it in such a way that you are actually aligning this edge and also this corner and just close it. That's all simple. You see this? Take this edge, align this with this line, and this line is coinciding with this and make a proper crease. That's all. See this? And your isosceles triangle is ready. Okay. See this? It comes so beautiful now for you. That is, this side and this side are equal and this is different. That's all. Simple. Now take a piece of paper and try to make your own isosceles triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.